Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Umar Education Wala and this is my another TEDx review. The today's topic is The Puzzle of Motivation by Dan Pink. Dan Pink starts his talk by admitting that he once went to law school, but he didn't succeed there. He uses his opening to build a case. We need to rethink how we motivate people, especially in workplaces and education. He presents a famous experiment called the candle problem, which shows how traditional incentives can backfire. In this experiment, people are asked to attach a candle to a wall so that wax doesn't drip onto a table. When participants were offered monetary reward for finishing faster, they actually performed worse, slower, less creative, and less likely to solve the problem quickly. This challenges the common belief that rewards like money or bonuses always increase motivation and performance. Dan Pink argues that such if then rewards do this, get that may work for simple, routine, mechanical tasks, but for tasks that require creativity, problem solving, and deep thinking, the kind of work that defines our 21st century world, external incentives often harm performance. Instead, he introduces a new operating system for motivation based on intrinsic drivers, autonomy, mastery, and purpose. Autonomy means giving people control over how they work, freedom to choose tasks, timing, methods, the power to direct their own lives. Mastery refers to the human desire to get better and better at something meaningful. Where we feel growth and progress, we stay motivated. Purpose is the deeper sense that our work matters, that what we do contributes to something bigger than ourselves. He gives real world examples. Some companies allow employees to spend part of their time working on personal or creative projects outside their normal tasks. Under this freedom and autonomy, many innovations emerge, products or ideas that may not have come from rigid reward-based structure. Dan's core message is there is clear mismatch between what science knows about motivation and how many organizations still operate. If we continue to rely on outdated reward punishment systems, we limit creativity and productivity. But if we embrace intrinsic motivation, autonomy, mastery, purpose, we can unlock true engagement, better performance, innovation, and fulfillment. I hope this summary helped you understand why the puzzle of motivation matters. What I learned from this talk is that real motivation isn't about money or rewards. It comes from doing meaningful work, having freedom to choose, and the desire to grow and get better. If we apply these ideas, whether in studies, work, or life, we can not only perform better but also feel more fulfilled and creative. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.